Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I got some LED tail lights. I got all of this going on because he was just fixing the sensor, the eccentric shaft sensor in the car, because it needed one. It was like running really bad and it wouldn't start. So we actually got that we got that fixed. Let me get in this light. We got that fixed. He got the fix today because I really needed that fix. I needed to get my car on the road. It's my daily. So we got that out the way. Now we're about to put on these LED lights and they're about to be a blast. I can't wait so I can show you guys what it looks like. Say hi to the camera, Carlos.
What's up, guys?
Alright, so what he's doing is, what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to take off this cover. It's on the inside of your trunk. It's 6 clips, or I think it's 6.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where is it at? Alright, so
5, 6, 7, 8.
do it again. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 8 clips. So you take those off, and then you be in contact with this thing right here. And then this is the inner headlight that's on the inner side of the trunk right here. You can take this clip out of, where's the screw at? There's a screw, where is it? Right here. There's a screw right here. You want to screw that, and this comes out, this comes loose, and you take this clip out and that comes out pretty fine. And the same thing on the other side.
Remember, this clip that goes here, you gotta take it off before you put it in, because this is what keeps the light from coming out.
Yep, this clip right here. So make sure you take that off before you put it on, or it won't.
With a bolt, a number 8 bolt.
It won't go in right away if you don't take this off. So you'll probably be stressing yourself out.
See this piece right here? It goes like this. So if you don't take this piece out, it won't clip on. Remember that.
Nope. Alright, now for the outer side of the lights, you want to take out this compartment that you have right here that's covering your battery, and then there it has 3 bolts. One right there at the bottom,
2 on the top, 1 on the side.
2 on the top, one on the bottom, 1 on the side,
and 1 on the top.
1 on the top. And then you do the same thing on the other side, and this is the same process. And then once you take out those bolts, you can unplug that big plug. Take out that big plug right there, and then the light should come out pretty easy. Alright, he got the brakes on. Let's see. Ooh, oh my god, look at that. That looks so good, yo. So much better than the stock ones, and the fitment is pretty good too. Lights are even with each other this way. The fitment is, it's a little gap there, but that can be adjusted, you know. Doesn't really bother me that much. Here, a little bit of the same thing. Yeah, it doesn't really bother me, but it looks so good, yo. Like, these lights are amazing. I like them so much better than the stock ones. Even though the stock ones are good too, but you know, you can't go wrong with these. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, in a comment, and what you think of these tail lights. I'll leave them in the description, as I said previously. And hope you guys have a good night. It's dark out, so I'm about to get out of here and we'll relax. That's what I'm about to do, you know. So until the next one, peace out.